Welcome to Best Choice. The best metal clay tools is probably one of the most exciting ways to create stunning jewelry and art pieces. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the essential metal clay tools, from shaping and texturing to firing and finishing, helping you choose the perfect set to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Fashion Road 6 PCS Clay Sculpting Tools. These Fashion Road clay sculpting tools offer a double-sided design with various shapes. This set of tools can meet different carving needs, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Each tool is designed with different shapes on both ends, providing 12 unique carving options. It allows you to create intricate details with ease. The tools are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they are rust-proof and durable. The smooth wooden handle provides a comfortable and firm grip. With 6 pieces, these tools offer 12 functions, suitable for carving, shaping, cutting, and smoothing. It helps you to carve out more delicate handicrafts. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these tools are perfect for pottery and clay carving. They are designed to enhance your creative process. The tool's length ranges from 16 to 20 centimeters, providing excellent control. It ensures you have the right tools for your pottery and ceramic sculpting needs. What we like? This set features a double-sided design, offering 12 different shapes for all your carving needs. The high-quality stainless steel ensures it's rust-proof and built to last. If you're looking for a versatile tool set that can handle carving, shaping, and smoothing with ease, this is the one for you. What people say? The tools are well-made and sturdy. The variety of tools is excellent for different metal clay projects. The tools work great for shaping and detailing metal clay. Number 4. CYNAMED 10PC Stainless Steel Sculpting Tool Set. This is the CYNAMED 10PC Stainless Steel Sculpting Tool Set. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys working with wax or clay. These tools will help you bring your creative visions to life. The knurled handles on these tools provide an excellent grip. Even with wet hands, you'll have complete control. This design ensures precision and ease of use. Cleaning is a breeze with this set. You can easily wipe them down after each use. These tools are built to last, providing years of reliable performance. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this set is built to last. The tools are resistant to corrosion and wear. They are a great investment for any artist or hobbyist. This set is safe for everyone to use. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these tools are designed for safe and effective sculpting. Enjoy your creative process with peace of mind. What we like? With knurled handles, it provides an excellent grip, even when your hands are wet. It is also easy to clean, ensuring it lasts a lifetime. If you are a beginner or a professional who wants a tool that is easy to handle and maintain, you should consider this. What people say? They're sturdier than I expected for the price, and the variety of ends is nice. The spoons and spatulas are great. I am very happy with the 12-piece set. There are other options available to buy. They are stainless steel and came in quality packaging for storage. Number 3. Ecjiuyi 9 PCS Sculpting Tools and Dotting Tool Set. This is a versatile set of sculpting tools. It includes a variety of tools for different techniques. They are perfect for both beginners and experts. The set includes tools perfect for dot art. It comes with a zippered canvas case for easy carrying. You can create beautiful mandala designs with ease. These tools feature a dual-ended design with metal balls. The balls come in various diameters, from 4 mm to 18 mm. They are great for creating different effects. This set includes 5 pieces of 2-way polymer clay tools. They are made of white silica gel and flower needles. It's convenient and quick for molding, mixing, and drawing. The tools are between 4.7 to 5.9 inches long, lightweight, and easy to use. It is suitable for various applications. You can use it for cake decorating, nail art, and more. These tools are perfect for making dots, smoothing lines, or embossing. It can also be used on soft metals or paper. This set is a must-have for any artist. What we like? It comes with a dual-ended design and a zippered canvas case for easy carrying. It is perfect for making dots, smooth lines, or embossing. If you like to create detailed art or need a portable set for various projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The tools are well made and sturdy. The set includes a variety of tools that are useful for different metal clay projects. The tools work well for shaping and detailing metal clay. Number 2. ProCast 26 Crucible Flask Tongs. Introducing the ProCast 26 Crucible Flask Tongs. This tool is designed for safely handling hot crucibles during melting, casting, and refining processes. With a length of 26 inches, it provides ample distance from the heat source. This ensures user safety while working with high-temperature materials. The tongs can securely hold foundry crucibles up to 6 inches in diameter. It is perfect for working with gold, silver, copper, and other metals. Built for heavy-duty use, the tongs are made to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of a foundry environment. This is a must-have tool for anyone working with hot crucibles and flasks. It makes the process safer and more efficient. What we like. This tool is heavy-duty and durable, perfect for handling hot crucibles. It has a long handle and can hold foundry crucibles up to 6 in diameter. If you are working with high-temperature materials and need a safe and reliable tool, this is what you need. What people say. The tools are well made and durable. The variety of tools is excellent, providing everything needed for various metal clay projects. Number 1. RUBFAC 24 PCS Polymer Clay Sculpting Tools Kit. Introducing the RUBFAC Clay Tools Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to bring your artistic visions to life, perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. It's a great tool for all kinds of projects. The kit includes 24 essential tools. You'll find a variety of sculpting tools, ball stylus, rubber pens, and a pottery sponge. This diverse selection ensures you have the right tool for every detail. Each tool features a dual-ended design, allowing for versatile sculpting. Whether you're working on fine details, blending colors, or shaping clay, this kit has you covered. It meets all your creative needs. The tools are made with quality materials, including stainless steel ball tips and smooth, hardwood handles. The handles are comfortable to grip and easy to use. This ensures durability and precision in your work. These tools are ideal for polymer clay, pottery, and sculpture. They're perfect for fine detail work, color blending, and shaping. It's also a great gift for kids and anyone who loves arts and crafts. What we like. This set's dual-ended design can handle any detail sculpting, meeting various craft project needs. It is widely used for fine detail sculpting, color blending, and shaping. If you are looking for a perfect gift for kids or a comprehensive tool set for your projects, this is a great option. What people say. The tools are well made and durable. The set includes a variety of tools that are useful for different metal clay projects. The tools are easy to use and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.